Number 3, yes does not scale. The product owner has a noble task, guardian of the product backlog. Again, garbage in, garbage out. Aspiring to be everybody's darling leads to a mediocre product, and that is not scaling. You need to learn how to say no without burning bridges behind you. If you want to figure out what you're supposed to deliver and what's valuable from a customer perspective and the organization's perspective, move the discussion with your stakeholders and the customers further to the left side of this agile product creation arc. You don't want to have this discussion by stuffing product backlog items into your product backlog. This is not the idea. So you need to learn to say no, otherwise it's not going to work out in the right way.